What are the core principles of the 6S in manufacturing? The 6S lean management originates from methodology created by Toyota between the years of 1948 and 1975. This procedure enabled the Japanese company to produce higher quality products faster with less waste and inventory than the competitors. While the fundamentals of 6S management were created decades ago, the benefits of the methodology persist even in today's conditions. It originates from 5 Japanese words, which translate as sort, set, shine, standardize, and sustain. We add safety as the 6th step, which concentrates on ensuring workplace safety and risk assessment. Implementation of 6S in manufacturing can lead to a number of important benefits, and manufacturers use the methodology to solve some of the most critical pain points. It helps in achieving cost savings, fewer machine downtimes, and quality increase. But most importantly, it prevents human accidents and creates a less stressful environment where employees cooperate better.